Welcome to FoodCycler. In this video, we'll take a look at the byproduct of the FoodCycler and best use applications, as well as how to store your FoodCycler byproduct. Your FoodCycler Eco 5 creates a nutrient-rich byproduct and can be used as a soil amendment and mixes easily with soil. The color of your soil amendment can vary, anywhere from a light to dark brown. This is influenced by the food waste from the cycle. The FoodCycler soil amendment mixes easily with soil. To create a standard mixture, add the byproduct to the soil at a ratio of 1 part byproduct to 10 parts soil. For cycles with an abundance of animal protein, such as meat or dairy products, you may increase that ratio to 1 part byproduct to 15 parts soil. For best results, wait 1 to 4 weeks following soil application before transplanting plants or planting seeds with the newly fertilized soil. You may also store your FoodCycler byproduct until ready for use. Learn more at www.foodcycler.com.